Hello, okay, this is the coffee trainer part 2. Okay, so now we have built up a tonal range. Okay, so you can see that we've gone from lights to darks. Okay, and we're slowly building up the tonal areas. Okay, so now what we need to do is really go dark with the coffee really strong. Okay, so I'm using this well at the bottom here, just using a little bit of water and a lot of coffee. Okay, so I'm just getting it to be really thick, a little bit more in there. Okay, so make yourself a little well of the thick coffee. Now this is the darker coffee, so what we want to do is really go into the darker areas. Okay, so wherever we want to see a dark area, we're going to really put down the darker tone. Okay, now to finish off this drawing, what I want to see, so this needs a little bit of a darker area here on top of there, so even darker, a little bit behind that little tab there, even darker there. Okay, remember you can wash it away to make it more or less dark, however you want it to be. Okay, so that's a dark bit on the back of the trainer there. I might want to pick up just some little areas to be darker down here. Okay, some little dark bits, layering up your tone. Okay, onto there. I might just put a little bit darker on the tick. Just blend that out a bit because the ticks are quite dark. And around that one on there. This is from a funny angle, this drawing, so I'll pick it up and show you from a better angle in a minute. Okay, because I'm trying to draw from in front of the laptop. So when you're done with that, you can use a biro, okay, and then you can add in any little bits of detail that you want to add in on top. Okay, so the laces are nice to add little bits of detail to. Okay, so just add the sort of weave lace, however you want to do it, the little toggles on the end. Okay, so the laces might have a little bit of texture to them. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to go about doing it. Okay, so the stitching, you might want to add the stitching, you might want to add the dots into the trainer. Okay, so I'm just adding the dots at the front here, some little dots there. You can do whatever you want with it. You can use coffee, you can use watercolour, you can use pencil crayon or just pencil. It's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, oh, I've missed a little tick off the front there, so I might just want to draw it in pencil first and just add another little Nike tick on the front there. Okay, will I do that with a brush? I'll do that with a little brush. So you need to decide when you need to stop and when you need to continue. Okay, so there's my another little Nike tick, little detail on the front there. Okay, so using your pen to add any cross hatching. So remember, we've looked at Andrea Joseph, so we should be good at cross hatching now. So we looked at her work last week. Okay, so pulling any little bits of detail out with your pen on top of the coffee or the watercolour. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to finish it off. Okay.